Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, what I have in my hand here, alright, this is what they call your chain sharpening combo, two in combo, alright? You got a guide for sharpening your chain, your top tooth in your chain, and you have a file gauge, alright? Let me show you something. Okay friends, this is how it kind of goes on your chain, alright? You got a notch over here, notch over here. Okay, this thing don't fit that great. I don't like this thing too well. Okay, what it's supposed to do, you put your chain in here like this, all right, and you go across like this. I don't like guides, to be honest with you. I don't like them. You're supposed to go around here like this, underneath your top plate, all right? But the problem with this thing is here, guys, it doesn't go far enough down to let your file go underneath your top plate, down in here more to the gullet. All right, let me show you here, see? All right, now see how that is right there? Now, I'm just trying to do a demonstration on this. All right. All right, now you see this, what's going on here? All right, you see where the file is? See we're on the wheels right there? That ain't very good. I don't like it. You can't get up underneath the top plate right into here. You're limited. All right. Now, what I tried doing is I tried taking these down a little bit more here in the deal here, but I go too far down, it's gonna cut right through the aluminum. All right. I mean, for Husky, it's okay, but I use a 7/32 file, not a 3/16, so this isn't gonna work for me too well. All right. I tried it out. I don't know. I'm not a real fan. I'm a real fan of this. Not at all. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the Raker gauge. All right. All right, now how this is going to work, guys, there's two different ways of doing your rakers. This one here, you come in here like this, like that. Okay, hope you guys can see this. All right. We're going to put this forks down to your chain like I'm doing here in the length, and put the back part down. Now, see, this has got softwood setting, and you have a hardwood setting. All right, that's upside down. Okay, hardwood, softwood. I don't really pay much attention to all that. Okay, it doesn't matter to me. But anyway, you put this down here like this. All right, just like I'm showing you. So you want your forks, these two guys down here in your chain length, just like that. And so your back raker's sticking up. Now let me show you something real quick. You get your Raker gauge in here like I showed you guys. Take your file, and you can take this. Okay, you see this back Raker right here? It's a tad bit high yet. All right, so go along and just nick it down a little bit. All right, just so you're just not touch. So if you're just touching the back of your Raker a little bit, if you're catching it, just do one of these numbers right here. That's it. Done. It don't matter which way you're doing your Raker. You see, some guys will go this way to follow their teeth on your chain. You don't have to do that. Forget that noise. All right? Just put your gauge in here like this. All right? Check your Raker. This isn't too bad. If it's a little bit high, like this one is, just swipe a little bit like on a 45. That's it. All right, this ain't too bad, and you're done. That's it. All right, make sure you keep your forks on your chain link down here on your deal here, friends. Okay, make sure you put them forks down on the chain up here, behind your top plate, right in here, which is this right here, and then just check your Rakers. That's it. Done. Simple. All right. See that? It's a little bit high. Go along here on a 45, like I'm showing you. Done. Etc. All right. A little high. Done. All right, friends. These, you know, I can see where Husky's come up with the idea about using these guides, but The problem with these wheels are they're just too high. All right. They need to go back and redesign this a little bit better, because if you can't get this down your chain enough to where you can get your gullet out a little bit better, then it's actually no good. To me, it ain't. I mean, I'm not a real fan of this at all. Like this, you gotta kind of fight this darn thing. I mean, there you go, right there. We're hooked, and you just take this piece and you move it over like this, but it's supposed to lock it, but it don't work that well. All right, and you put your file in there. This is like a two combo deal here, guys. All right, and you go across like this, and the wheels are supposed to kind of keep you up, more control. I don't see it that way. Okay, when you're filing your top plate, guys, keep your file to the back of your tooth. Keep it level like this. Okay, keep your file to your top tooth level, just like none of this. Keep it level, and then go like this. Make sure you keep your file to your top plate as tight as possible. But this thing here, yeah, I'm not real fond of it, to be honest with you. That's for my rakers. But I mean, I have another tool for doing rakers anyway, but I do like the raker gauge on this part. But this, as far as I'm concerned, yeah, it's not for me. I don't use this. I don't use a 3/16 file. I use my 7/32. That's what I like to use. It does a better job for the gullet and does a better job for the top plate on these things. So anyway, so that's my opinion about that. I mean, it's a good idea, but it's not really a good idea. If you're limited to see how far you can get down to your gullet and to really get that file up underneath your top plate to get a good sharp deal, if you can't do all that, yeah, I don't care for it. But the raker gauge part, yeah, that should be fine. So anyway, guys, hit me up in the comments and see what's your opinion about it. If you have one, if you don't have one, you could get these on eBay, Amazon. I think I probably paid I paid money that I don't think was really worth the money. I mean, really, I'm just gonna use it for the raker gauge part. And you can see right there, this is gonna wear out pretty fast. That's the problem with this thing. It's just gonna wear out kind of fast. I mean, kind of a good idea, but for some people, it would be a game changer for them. First time sharpening chains, but yeah, I'm not gonna use that. I'll use the raker gauge. That's all. That's what I'm gonna do with it. So anyway, you guys, hit me in the comments, see what you think about it. And leave me a comment. If you like the video, give me one of these. Okay? All right, guys, we'll see you on the flip side.